Let's learn how to train your Eva AI in Desku. Go to the automation page. Here you will find the AI, automation, and bot recipes. These are the available ways to feed the training data to Eva AI. Here, you can feed the publicly accessible URLs to train Eva. If you have Desku Docs articles, then those can be added here. Here you can feed the plain text content directly. At the top, you will see the total sources Eva is using to create responses. You can also add PDF, TXT, and CSV files to train the Eva AI. Please note that encrypted or password-protected files are not supported. Have a set of FAQs? Add all the variants here, and AI will respond creatively to all the similar questions. Add different questions that have the same answer. Eva will respond differently each time, but conveying the message will be the same. You can edit, delete, pause, and resume the usage of a particular question set. Paused ones will be visible here. And the last training option is e-commerce data. Choose your platform, select the store, specify the filters, and then click Train. Let's create a live chatbot recipe to use Eva AI. You can create the bot flow before Eva kicks in. Then add the Eva AI node. Specify the initial message which user receives when AI gets in the chat. This toggle is to prevent the AI from offering human or agent handover. Here, choose the trained content sources that will be used to respond. For the safe side, create the ticket node on the failure in AI chat. Let's assign this recipe to a live chat widget. Go to Settings, Widget Settings. In the General Settings tab, give the widget a name. Go to the Publish Bot tab and choose the Eva recipe we just created. Let's try the bot in the live chat widget. I'm asking the meeting question, which I added in training data. You can see that it gave the right reply, but even more nicely than we added. Trying the questions to see that it fetches the answer from the provided content. Want to have this intelligent AI agent on your team? Then sign up the Desku right now.